I never show you guys me cooking, you know. I do cook all my own food. I do know how to cook, and it's one of my favorite meals. Right, I eat this probably twice a day. You know, when I'm getting in shape. I know you guys see me eat like McDonald's, ice cream, Pop Tarts, right? But I do if it fits your macro diet. So I eat this like 2 times a day, chicken and rice, and then as long as I'm hitting my numbers, I can eat all the junk. That's how you get in shape, right? So let's get to it. Alright guys, this is a cup of rice, alright? It's a cup of dry rice. I'm about to put in the rice cooker, and then I start cooking my chicken, alright? Let's go. So cup of rice. Cup of rice is add a cup and a half of water. Cup. Cup and a half. Alright, here it is. Got my rice on it. This is my grilled chicken breast strips. So, about to cook these up. A pan, butter flavor. Alright guys, so got my olive oil flavor, my butter flavor. Spray it on there. Use pan on everything. It does. Watch your friends. Now seasoning time, right? When you taste, you're gonna eat. Pour a little bit more on so it don't stick. Let's do this like that. Coat it. Give it more flavor too. Alright, I got me some Goya adobo seasoning. No fat in here, right? It has, some salt, but salt's not gonna kill you. Not too much. So adobo is my favorite garlic powder. Alright. Put that up in there. Love garlic. Guys, got me some chopped onions. Oh yeah. I don't want to touch it. Get your hands mad stinky, I'd rather just eat it. onion, garlic, all the good stuff. I also eat a lot of pineapple, right? Because pineapple is really good. In Cambodian, we call pineapple manok. Manok, that's what we call it. So when you eat a lot of pineapple, it helps you digest whatever you're eating, like proteins and stuff. So eat your pineapple good. Smells real good. Turn up the heat. Some peppers. Got me some Worcestershire sauce, I think. And some fake butter. Soy sauce. You gotta make your food taste good, right? If you're gonna eat good, you're gonna stick with it. That's what I learned. This thing's still frozen. Check this out. It's real nice, right? Look at that color. So it's coming along real good. Alright guys, but I'm gonna finish cooking, then I'll show you what it looks like at the end, alright? Alright guys, food's all done. Look at this. That's beautiful, huh? It's called chicken stir fry, Superman style. And there's my cup of rice, alright? Oh, I might measure it dry, so it comes out to like maybe, I think like 150 carbs. So let's get this in there. I got one hand, kind of hard. Scoop it up. Really healthy meal. Carbs and protein. Getting on there. Alright, all gone. Chicken and rice. Just kind of mix it up. Go like that. Alright, so a little bit of extra flavor. Here we go, mustard, right? Mustard. Mustard. I use Pam at the end too, just to give it, you know, some nice shine. Extra virgin. I don't cook with it because they say if you cook with it, like it kills the properties. So I like to add it in at the end. Get this open. Healthy fats right here. Alright. And there it is, folks. Chicken rice. I eat this maybe 2 or 3 times a day. And then if I get this in, you know, I can eat my other food, like fast food and all that. But I'm going to get upstairs and show you how it goes down, alright? Alright. Protein and carbs. It's kind of dark, but see my chicken and rice about halfway done. So chicken. There you go. Pregnant now. Oh, full man.